So it's been almost 3 years since I've unboxed the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So I thought it was about time to get another phone. And this time it's obviously gonna be the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I have been a Galaxy Note user ever since the Galaxy Note 4. But Samsung decided to discontinue that and put it all together in the S series. The first Galaxy S that was on the market, I had that one, and I had the Galaxy S4. But ever since that, it was the Galaxy Note. At least it still has the pen, so hopefully it's gonna live up to my expectations. So let's get this one unboxed, and I'm gonna use my trusty knife, and let's see if we can get this fella opened. It's a very small box, and like Apple, Samsung does not include a charger. It's a very large phone, very small box. So let's see what is in this here. This might be the manual. Oh, there is at least a charger cable with it, so that's good. It's a USB-C to USB-C. I don't know what the length is, so you can't see it, but I would say about 80 centimeters, perhaps. Right. And then you have the standard cards. Yeah, the warranty cards here in various different languages. And let's not forget the pin for pushing out the SIM card slot. And I do actually think they're quite clever to have like a hole in the box, so you can see there is some metal in there. Because otherwise, if you don't know how to get the SIM card slot out, you might not notice that. So that's a good feature. And that's it. And that is the Quickstart guide. So that shows you to get the nano SIM card in, some of the power modes, output power for different wireless standards. Yeah, but let's be honest, no one ever reads these. This is of course the main part. So let's pull this cardboard spacer off. It does have some weird sticky plasticky side to it. Maybe that's so it doesn't move around as easily within the box. So I got mine in the green color scheme. Well, I wanted to change things up. I could get it in black, but well, what the heck, let's get one in green. This one has 5 camera modules, and the reason I wanted the Ultra version is because that it has a telezoom that is zooming in 10 times, whereas the S23 and the S23 Plus only has 3 times telezoom. This one has 3 times as well, but there is a 10 times zoom in there, and I've seen some of the videos where they zoom in, and I think that's amazing quality for a zoom lens on a phone like this. So I really wanted that. Now, it is really heavy, considering that it's a phone. I'm actually surprised about that. So yeah, we're gonna compare it to my Note 20, of course. Let's get the sticker off the screen. Let's try to start it up, see if there's any power on it. Yes. I have ordered a cover for the phone, but it's arriving tomorrow, so I'm gonna be very careful around it until then. Samsung Galaxy. So if I go next, yeah, I can choose the language there. Danish. Next. I'm going to accept. I'm not going to accept everything because that's optional. I'm just going to accept the license agreement. Now I could restore it from my Note 20. I am going to use that restore function later on. I'm just going to reset it. But for this purpose, we're just going to go through the setup menu. So we're going to skip that. No, we're not going to put any Wi-Fi on it, so we're going to skip that as well. Okay, so it says a network connection is necessary. So we're going to just put it on the guest network. Oh, it didn't even give me a chance to tell if I wanted to connect every time or just this once, but I guess that's okay. So, configuration of the service provider. Your phone has to be rebooted, so let's reboot. Right, so it's searching for an eSIM card. I do not have that, so we're just going to skip it. Preparing your phone can take a couple of minutes. Right, so it's once again telling me if I can copy my apps and data. So I'm just going to say do not copy. Checking information. Yeah, let's skip the Google account for now. It's okay to use my location. Accept. So choose your search engine. I'm going to choose Google. Protect your phone. No, I'm just going to skip that. Okay, so skipping your protection of the phone is not going to stop others from using it if it's get lost or stolen. You know what? Yeah. Let's just skip anyway. This is just the initial setup I want to go through. Okay, so I can track my lost phone using the Samsung account. I'm not going to do that right this moment. I'm going to choose the dark preference. So now I'm ready. Go explore your Galaxy. So that was it for the unboxing. So let's compare it to my Galaxy Note 20. I'm going to take the cover off. So a side-by-side comparison, they seem identical. It is a bit thicker, but that's it. I think the size of the height is the same, and it is a bit wider, but not anything that has any significant change to it. But one thing that I did not like about the Note 20 is that the camera module protrudes out so much from it. So I bought the cover that is actually just as thick, so it's not protruding at all. And the cover that I bought for this one has like a protective a sliding door that you can slide over so you can protect your lenses. But all in all, I like it. You know what? I'm gonna take out the kitchen weight because I want to measure. I want to weigh it, how much it weighs comparing to the other one. So let's do that. One moment. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to put this box up here and turn the weight on, so it's calibrating to adjust for the weight of the box. And let's weigh the Galaxy S23 Ultra. 236 grams. If I have to guess, I would say that this one is about 200 or 210 or something like that. So let's weigh it. Oh, 207 grams. That, and I swear to you, I did not weigh them before just recording. This is the first time weighing them. So now it's 208. Okay, 208, 207 against 237. So 30 grams more than the Note 20. Again, it is a bit thicker, but the camera does not protrude as much, so that's good. Yeah. Let's open the camera. That is really good. Can focus on the 10th zoom level on the table here, so it's almost like macro. Let's put this Stanley knife in there. Look like that. Oh my god, I'm actually impressed. Now, I have seen the rumors, or I have actually seen the videos with the proof about the moon photos, but you know, yeah, I kinda had a feeling that something must have been done to them, but I must say that seeing one of the videos doing it live, I was really impressed. So they fooled me, but yeah, looking at the videos where they compare the one where they took a photo that was high res of the moon, and they resized it down and they blurred the image, and they took an image of the monitor with the S23 and a clear photo of the moon came out. Definitely something is being done to the photo. So yeah, but we all know how the moon looks. It's not changing. It's the same. Well, it is rotating or vibrating a bit. It's always facing the same direction towards us. So I'm looking forward to try this out, to experience my new phone. So that was it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you could use some of the information in this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.